today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a task repeat every day in Todoist. This is perfect for habits, daily check-ins, or any routine you want to stay on top of without recreating the task every morning. Start by opening Todoist on your computer or mobile device. Make sure you're signed in so your changes are saved to your account. Once you're in, go to the project that contains the task you want to repeat. If you're on desktop, you'll find your projects in the sidebar. On mobile, tap into the Projects tab and choose the right one. Click or tap the task to open its details. You'll see a due date field labeled Date or Schedule. That's where we'll set the recurrence. Select Date to open the calendar and scheduling options. Look for the Repeat option and choose Every Day. This tells Todoist to automatically reschedule the task for the next day each time you complete it. Before you confirm, you can fine-tune the schedule. If you want the task to appear at a specific time each day, add the time right in the same date field. For example, setting it to every day at 8 a.m. ensures it shows up consistently at that hour. If you only want weekdays, choose every weekday instead of every day, but for this walkthrough, we're sticking with a daily cadence. Once you've selected every day, save or close the date picker. You should now see the due date show as every day on the task. That's your confirmation that the recurrence is active. From now on, when you check off the task, Todoist will move the due date forward by 1 day automatically. If you skip a day, the task will simply appear overdue until you complete it, and then it will roll forward as usual. A quick tip if you prefer typing. In the same date field, you can type natural language like every day, and Todoist will recognize it. It's the same result as using the menu. Also, if your routine changes later, just open the task. Click Date again, and adjust or remove the recurrence the same way. Nothing else about the task needs to change. That's all there is to it. Open Todoist, select your task, set the date to repeat every day, and you're done. With this simple setup, you'll keep your daily tasks consistent and off your mind, so you can focus on getting them done. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you want to follow along step by step.